Mastering Formal Greetings. The Art of Titles and Honorifics in English. Hello, learners. Welcome to another exciting episode in our English language learning series. Today we are going to dive into a rather important, yet often overlooked topic, addressing titles and honorifics in formal written communication. Navigating the maze of titles and honorifics in English can seem daunting, but by the end of this video, we promise it'll be a walk in the park for you. Before we delve into how to use these titles and honorifics, let's take a moment to understand what they are. Titles, in the context of English language, are forms of address that we use to respectfully acknowledge someone's social or professional status. Honorifics are a subtype of titles that show respect, often tied to gender, marital status, profession, or academic achievement. The most common honorifics you might encounter include Mr., Mrs., Ms., and Dr. Now that we know what titles and honorifics are, let's discuss when and how to use them. When you're communicating formally, especially in writing, it's crucial to use the appropriate title or honorific. Mr. is used for men regardless of their marital status, Mrs. for married women, Miss for unmarried women, and Ms. when you're unsure about a woman's marital status or when the marital status is irrelevant. For individuals with doctorate degrees or medical practitioners, doctor is the preferred title. When addressing someone in written communication, always use their title followed by their last name, unless you're specifically asked to do otherwise. For example, Dear Dr. Smith, or Dear Mr. Johnson. A critical aspect of using titles and honorifics is being aware of cultural nuances. In some cultures, the first name is actually the family name, and the last name is the given name, which can be confusing. Also, certain cultures or individuals prefer to be addressed with their professional title, such as professor, captain, or reverend, instead of the more common Mr., Mrs., or Ms. Therefore, it's always good to do a little bit of research or simply ask how someone prefers to be addressed if you're uncertain. Remember, the key is to show respect and understanding. And there you have it. The world of English titles and honorifics might seem tricky at first, but with understanding and practice, you'll soon master this essential part of English written communication. Remember, it's all about showing respect and acknowledging the other person's social or professional status. So keep practicing, and before you know it, you'll be a pro at addressing titles and honorifics. See you in our next video. Until then, keep learning, and stay curious.